Reporting from home for New India Junction, this is Priyanka Deo. During the COVID-19 pandemic and the national lockdown in India, there have been multiple instances where emergency service professionals, especially healthcare workers, have been targeted and attacked by wrongdoers, which has obstructed them from doing their duty and saving lives around the clock. Unfortunately, these healthcare workers and professionals have become among the most vulnerable victims in society during the COVID-19 pandemic in India. They've also been perceived by some as carriers of the coronavirus, which has led to stigmatization, violence, and harassment. The COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown in India has unfortunately developed a situation where the harassment of the healthcare workforce is taking place on every front, including on cremation grounds. Because healthcare workers are duty-bound to serve without discrimination, cooperation and support from society is a fundamental need of the hour for these workers in India today. Existing state laws generally do not cover this type of harassment at home or at the workplace, and for this reason, the Union Cabinet held a meeting on April 22, 2020 and approved an ordinance to the Epidemic Diseases Act of 1897. The new ordinance protects healthcare service personnel and property, including where they work, against any violence during any epidemic. The current ordinance is intended to ensure that during any situation, during any kind of epidemic, including this one, that there is zero tolerance for violence against a healthcare worker and for damage to the property. Now, violators can spend up to 5 years in prison and can be fined up to 5 lakh rupees, along with paying liable compensation to the victim and also 2 times the fair market value of the property that was damaged. The President has also given his assent for the promulgation of the ordinance, and the ordinance comes with the aim of building confidence in the community so that healthcare professionals can continue to serve their duty and save lives around the clock as effectively as possible and as safely as possible as India continues to combat and contain the coronavirus. Reporting from home for New India Junction, this is Priyanka Deo signing off.